Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. If someone annoying you on WhatsApp by messaging you and you don't want to reply them and wants to mute them without blocking the contact, then you are at the right video. So today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to turn off the messages of any contacts without blocking them. So without any discussion, let's move to the video. First of all, open the WhatsApp app. Then go to the chats which you want to mute. Then long press at the contact until you see the several options at the top. Here you will see the mute option at right after the delete option. So tap on it and choose the always options and tap on OK. Now again long press at the chat and tap on the archive option that is right after the mute option. So in this way you can stop seeing the messages without blocking any contacts. But you always are staying connected. So if this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.